Lahat naman tayo prisoners eh. POW, prisoner of Wi-Fi. Ang tinatanong palagi ngayon, may Wi-Fi ba kayo? Anong Wi-Fi niya? Mga iba nanginginig na kung walang Wi-Fi, wala nang load. O, meron dyan, prisoner of worry. Kagigising mo pa lang, nagwo-worry ka na. Matutulog ka na lang, nagwo-worry ka pa rin. The more you worry, the more you hurry to the cemetery. Iba naman po, prisoner of wisdom. Wais ako I understand everything the way I want to understand it. So I think myself better than others. I become proud intellectually. O iba naman, prisoner of words. Nakikilala ka sa mga pananalita.